Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all channel subscription you have ever made on YouTube on iPhone. For example, if you want to see how many channels you have subscribed now, and if you want to see all the list and the time you have subscribed the channel, so how you can check that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply open the Facebook app and you have to update it. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to simply close this page, and now you have to open the YouTube app, and here you have to simply click on profile. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. So in settings, you have to simply click on manage all history. So in history, you will find all of the details related to your YouTube account, like likes, interaction, comments, and dislikes also. So if you want to see, then you can simply click on here. So you have to simply click on interaction, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on channel subscription, and here you will find all of the channel subscription you have ever made on YouTube. And you can also see the details of that subscription, on what time or date you have done that subscription on YouTube. So in this way, you can simply check that for the so hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.